Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III stands as a striking symbol of American luxury car design in an era defined by bold lines and opulent features. When it was introduced, this vehicle was not just a car. It was a statement embodying the desires and aspirations of a generation enamored with sophistication and style. With its powerful presence on the road, the Mark III offered more than just transportation. It provided an experience that celebrated the height of mid-century American automotive innovation. The Mark III was a departure from its predecessors, which often leaned heavily into the more conservative design language of earlier decades. Instead, it adopted a sleek, elongated silhouette that hinted at speed and power. One of its most notable features was the iconic egg crate grille, which added a touch of elegance while commanding attention. This car was designed to impress, and it certainly fulfilled that role. The luxurious lines and distinctive contours made it stand out in a crowded market, appealing to those who sought a car that exuded prestige and class. Under the hood, the Mark III was equipped with a robust 460 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering an impressive 365 horsepower. This power not only allowed for a smooth and confident driving experience, but also showcased the performance capabilities of American engineering during this period. Drivers could feel the strength of the engine as they navigated the open road, making every journey a true pleasure. With a focus on both performance and comfort, the Mark III was crafted to provide a serene ride, complete with advanced suspension systems that absorb bumps effortlessly. As you step inside the Mark III, you are greeted by a cabin that feels like a sanctuary. Rich leather upholstery, plush seating, and an array of high-end materials define the interior, making it a place where luxury takes center stage. Every detail, from the wood accents to the meticulously designed dashboard, speaks to the craftsmanship that went into creating this vehicle. The spaciousness of the interior was designed with the modern driver in mind, ensuring that both the driver and passengers would enjoy a sense of openness and comfort, whether on short trips or long journeys. The 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III was also notable for its technological advancements. It was one of the first cars to feature a shift indicator on the steering column, demonstrating the blend of innovation with traditional luxury. Other amenities, like power windows and automatic climate control, were becoming standard in high-end vehicles, and the Mark III was at the forefront of this movement, showcasing what luxury could mean in an ever-evolving automotive landscape. Culturally, the Mark III became an icon of its time, often seen gracing the driveways of the affluent and featured in films and television shows that highlighted the glamour of the late 1960s. It embodied a lifestyle of sophistication and success, making it more than just a car. It was a cultural symbol representing the American dream and the pursuit of excellence. Today, the 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III remains a beloved classic among car enthusiasts and collectors. Its combination of style, power, and luxury continues to captivate those who appreciate the artistry of vintage automobiles. Owning one of these cars is like possessing a piece of history, a reminder of a time when American cars were not just about practicality, but about making a bold statement. The Mark III's legacy endures, reflecting the golden age of American motoring, where elegance and performance danced in harmony, leaving an indelible mark on both the automotive world and the hearts of those who admire it.